Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And if you'd like to learn more about perfect plant pairings, check out this Natural Companions book.
I learned a lot of really interesting things in this book. For example, the proper way to germinate your lettuce seeds, and also learned a little bit about pollinators. The colors in this book are so beautifully vibrant, and some parts are even double page layouts. The color combinations are so beautiful and really complement each other. And I love how they put the petals and plant pieces on a black backdrop. It really makes the colors pop, and you can see every little detail of all the leaves and petals. Look how the flowers and colors just pop off the page. They look like they're 3D. I think this would be a beautiful book to have on your coffee table for guests to look at and read.
So, whether you're a gardener or not, I think you're really going to appreciate the beauty of this book. And that's my point of view.